Alright, so guys, today's video we are going to stage the duct of the trouser right back. Can you see? There's the trouser right front and the trouser right back right here. So we are going to stage the duct. So to stage the duct, you gotta turn it back. Gotta turn it backwards like this. And see this part, we're gonna fold this part. The place that's is going this way. We're gonna fold it like this. You gotta fold it like this. We're going to stitch the duct of it. So this is the waist 30. This is the waist 30. So we are going to stitch the duct. So we want measurement of 3.5 and 1 to end on this part. So we gotta fold it to make it 3.5 and 1 inches. So this is it right here. This is it right here. 3.5 and 1 inches. So we are going to stitch the duct. We are going to show you how to stitch the duct. So to stitch the duct, we gotta stitch it slantly from a 1/4 inch, from a 1/4 inches to like a 3 inches longer, or like a 2.5 inches longer. So we are doing it for you to see on a slantly form. On a slantly. So there's a trouser right back duct that we are making. So we will cut the excess thread from it, and so when we turn it, this is actually how the duct is looking. This is the duct. This is the trouser right back duct. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.